So today we have to learn the stack applications. Okay, the stack applications. The first one is the Polish notation and recursion. So these are the two main applications of stack. Okay. So what is recursion? Any idea what is recursion?
So when the function calls itself.
When the function calls itself. Okay. So recursion is very important in for for doing any algorithm like merge sort, quick sort, Tower of Hanoi, greatest common divisor, Fibonacci number, and any other recursive calls. Okay. So first of all, we have to know what is Polish notation. So Polish notation A plus B, A plus B. Uh, Here two operands are there. Okay, two operands are there, A and B. And between two operands, there is only one operator plus. So this particular representation is called the infix notation. Okay, this is the infix representation. Okay, so infix representation. So what will be the postfix representation? Postfix. Postfix means postfix means you have to you have to remove this you have to remove this operator in between that is placed in between two operands, and you have to put this operator after the two operands. So AB plus. So this is the postfix notation. Okay. And what is prefix? Plus A B plus AB. So this is your prefix notation. Okay. So every arithmetic expression can be written in, if it is given in infix notation, you can easily convert this infix to postfix, prefix, as you wish. Okay. Polish mathematician, a Polish mathematician Jan Lukasis, Polish mathematician Jan Lukasis established these notations. Okay, infix to postfix, prefix, these notations. That's why these are called the Polish notations. Okay, so we have to convert. So we have to convert this in your exam. The infix notations are given. You have to convert this infix to postfix. Okay, this is the main question. So what are the rules? First of all, you have to know the priorities. Okay, so you have to know the priorities. That's why suppose 5 5 Okay, 4. Okay. The first one is the operator. Operator. Second one is the ISP. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
I,
visible.
so ISP means in stack priority. In stack priority, and this is called the incoming priority. Okay, so this is first close bracket. So in stack priority is null and incoming priority is null. Okay, exponential, for exponential this is 3 and this is 4. Okay, for multiplication and division these are 2. For plus minus these are 1. Okay, and for opening bracket this is 0 and this is 4. So this is the chart for operator and the in stack priority, incoming priorities. Okay, so the rule, what is the rule? So the rule is if your ISP, your in stack priority, if your in stack priority is less than, this is less than incoming priority, then push. Okay, otherwise if in stack priority is greater than is equal to incoming priority, then pop. Okay, exponential, 1 second, the exponential symbol is so this is the exponential symbol. Okay, so this is the algorithm or rule. If the in stack priority is less than your incoming priority for a particular operator, then push. Otherwise, that is greater than is equal to, then pop. Okay, so let us start. 1 second. The expression, let the expression is q is equal to a plus b. A plus b exponential c minus b into e divided by f. Okay, so this is the a plus b exponential d into e divided by f. This is expression, this is first expression, let q1. Q2 is equal to let A plus B into C plus D divided by F plus D into E. So this is from get, is from knockout. Now, how to solve these two problems? So two expressions are given. Okay. Now we have to solve this. First of all, we have to draw a chart. That is, 3 columns are there, and let there are a number of rows. Okay. So what will be the first row? What will be the heading for first row? So symbol scanned. Symbol scanned from Q. And stack. This is your expression. Okay. কোনটা দেখিয়ে দেবো বলো তো, যে কোনো একটা দেখাবো, কোনটা দেখাবো বলো? Q1 আর Q2?
Q1 টাই
Q1 টা দেখিয়ে দেবো, তাই তো?
Q2 sir.
কোনটা বলো, Q2 না Q1? One is from Macout, one is from Gate.
Q2.
So তাহলে Q2 দিয়ে দেখাই. So symbol scan from Q2. Okay. So first one second. Insert a column to the left. So first which symbol? A. So what is the rule? The rule is, if you scan a operand, then don't, as we are interested for evaluation of postfix, so don't put this operand in the stack, just put it in the expression. Okay, so this is the first one.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, the opening bracket should not be counted in the symbol.
Yes. So first
Oh,
scanned
sorry, we
one.
are doing the Q2. Sorry, we are doing the Q2.
Okay, so first is A. Okay, so as Q2 is given in this form, that is A plus B into within bracket C plus D divided by F plus D into E. Okay, so there must be a opening bracket here and closing bracket here. Okay, equal to. So first one is the opening bracket. Okay, so put this opening bracket here. Is it fine? Then number 2, you will get A. So put A here. Now as A is the operand, so don't write A in the stack. Okay. So write A here. Expression. So this will be opening bracket. Number 3. So number 3 is plus. Okay. So number 3 is plus. So plus. So as this is the operator, so we have to put this operator in the stack. Okay. This is not an operand. We have to put this operator in the stack. Now, in stack, there is a opening bracket. So for opening bracket, the in stack priority is 0. Okay. And plus the incoming priority for plus is 1. So should we push or pop? What will be the appropriate operation? Push or pop?
Push.
Because your in stack, what will be the in stack? In stack was the opening bracket. Its priority is 0. And incoming is your plus. Its priority is 1. So 1 is greater than 0. That's why push. Okay. So opening bracket plus. That is push. That is push the operator plus. Next, fourth. Next one is the next symbol scanned is B. Okay. So B is your next symbol scanned. So as B is the operand, so as B is the operand, so you have to put this B here and just copy this one and paste. Okay. Up to this, any problem? If you have any problem, please clarify.
No, sir, no problem.
Then into multiplication. So multiplication is the symbol scanned from left to right. Every time you have to scan from left to right, and if it is a operand, then don't put this operand in the stack, rather in expression. Okay. So multiplication, so last symbol in the stack was plus. So the plus, for plus, the in stack priority is 1, and multiplication, the incoming priority is 2. Now in stack priority is less than your incoming priority, so we have to push the operator, particular operator. So multiplication, the incoming priority for multiplication is 2, and the in stack priority for plus is 1. That's why we have to push. So first bracket, then plus, then multiplication. Okay. And this is AB. AB. Number 6. Now open bracket. Okay. So open bracket. So for opening bracket, the incoming priority is highest, 4. And in stack there was a multiplication. So in stack priority is 2. So 2 is less than 4. So we have to push, right? So plus, multiplication, and opening bracket. And then A, B. Okay. Now, number 7, C. So you have to put this C. Now, as C is the operand, so we have to put this ABC in the expression stack. Okay. And copy this one and paste. Next, number 8, plus. So plus. So for addition, the incoming priority 1 and the last one is 0. So 0 is less than 1. That's why we have to push. Okay. So plus. So just copy this one and plus. And this is your ABC. Okay. Number 9. So number 9, there is a D. So just write this D and D as a operand. So A, B, C and D. Okay. So copy this one and paste. So we have to insert a row between. Next symbol scan 10. Okay. So this is closing bracket. So when you have a closing bracket, you have to pop. When you are encountered with a closing bracket, the rule is when you are encountered with a closing bracket, you have to pop up to the opening bracket. Okay. It is the rule. So here, closing bracket. What is the priority for closing bracket? Incoming priority is null. Okay. And in stack, this is plus. So for plus, this is 1. Now 1 is greater than, so ISP is greater than is equal to ICP. So we have to pop. Okay. Right. Is it clear? So you have to pop.
Yes,
So you have to pop the operator, last operator, that is top operator in the stack. Okay. And the immediate left and the immediate left opening bracket, if it exists, you have to pop this also. Okay. So this will be opening bracket plus star. Okay. So this bracket, don't write this bracket in the expression, and as this closing bracket has lower priority than the in stack operator, that's why you have to pop this plus and you have to write this plus A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, then plus. Okay, A, B, C, D plus. So you have to pop this plus here. And along with that, you have to pop this opening bracket, and don't write this opening bracket and closing bracket in the final expression. Okay, expression stack. Is it clear? Number 11.
yes, sir.
Number 11. So this is division. So division. Okay, so division is there. Now for division, the incoming priority is 2. Incoming priority is 2, and this is the multiplication at the top. So what will be the scenario? Now what will be the scenario? This is the main tricks.
Equal
So
priority.
equal, yes, equal. So division is incoming with priority 2, and multiplication resides at the top of the stack, with priority, same priority, that is 2. So if in stack priority, the rule is if in stack priority is greater than is equal to ICP, then pop. So we have to pop, right? So we have to pop. So first bracket, then plus, and popped item. What is the popped item? A, B, C, D plus multiplication. Okay. So multiplication is popped, and you have to put this division in the stack. This is the main twist. So you have to pop this top operator in the stack, and you have to write this multiplication here, and finally just write the division at the stack top. Okay. Then number 12, F. Now as F is the operand, so you have to write A B C D plus multiplication F. Okay, and just copy this tag and paste. Number 13, plus. So what will be the scenario? Plus. What will be the scenario? Plus. Any idea?
Push. Because ICP is greater than ISP.
Plus, and the stack top was division. This is incoming with priority 1, and this is the stack top with priority 2. So is it push?
Sorry, it's pop.
Yes.
Yes, this is the main twist in gate. এবার দেখলো তো why gate is much more difficult. So you have to pop. Okay, because this is plus symbol. So the plus symbol, the incoming priority is 1, and the division symbol within stack priority 2. Now 2 is greater than is equal to 1. That's why you have to pop the in stack, the stack top. You have to pop the stack top. So stack top was the division. You have to pop this division. So what will be the division? What will be the scenario? A B C D plus multiplication F, then division. Okay. Now first bracket plus. Up to this clear?
Sir, plus also has the same priority. So will they stay or?
No, there are two plus. You have to
Yeah.
put these two plus at the same time. So because this plus is used for popping this division.
So it won't pop the next one.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Next row below. Again below insert. So number 14. So what will be the number 14? Number 14 symbol was your D. Okay. So D is as the operand A B. Is it D? Okay. Just one second. This question was from GATE 95. Yes, 2 times D. Yes, there are 2 times D. So A B C D plus multiplication F, division, and then D. Just copy this and paste. Number 15. So number 15, there is a multiplication. So what will be the scenario for multiplication? For multiplication,
Push.
the incoming is 2. For multiplication, the incoming is 2, and stack top plus. So this was 1. So 1 is less than 2. That's why push. So we have to push the multiplication. So plus multiplication, and just copy this one and paste. Okay. Number 16. Number 16, just a E. So copy this one and paste with E at the stack top in the expression stack. Okay. Control C, Control V. Okay. Number 17. Number 17. So there will be one closing bracket. There will be one closing bracket. Okay. So there will be one closing bracket. So what will be the scenario for closing bracket? This closing bracket will pop everything. This closing bracket will pop everything unless and until it gets a opening bracket. Okay. And don't write the closing bracket and the opening bracket in the final expression. But the popping must be in the reverse order. So A, B, C, D plus multiplication F dash B, E. So what will be the popped one?
Star plus plus.
Yes, first pop. So imagine this stack. So what will be the stack top? Plus will be the stack top. So first of all, you have to pop this plus. So you have to pop this star. Sorry, you have to pop this star. Then this plus. Then this plus. Next, stack top is now at this plus. So we have to pop this plus. Okay. So this is the final answer. A, B, C, D plus multiplication F, then division D, E star plus plus. So this is the infix operation, infix expression Q2, infix expression, and this is the required, desired postfix expression. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, 1 second. Postfix expression to the infix. Okay. So this is your homework. I will share this page. Q3. Q3 is A plus B, A plus B into C, A plus B into C minus D exponential B exponential F. Okay. So this is Q3. This is also from okay. So this is your homework, and so this is already covered. এটা কি করে দিতে হবে ম্যাক আউট না পারবে?
স্যার চেষ্টা করব, না পারলে আপনাকে জানাবো।
আচ্ছা চেষ্টা
So next question, Q4. Q4 is 3 into L 3 into LG 3 into LG x plus 1 3 into LG x plus 1 minus A divided by 2. Okay, this is also from GATE. So these are your homeworks. Actually আমি এগুলো অ্যাসাইনমেন্টসও দিয়ে দেবো, ঠিক আছে? হোমওয়ার্ক করার দরকার নেই, বুঝলে? আমি এগুলো অ্যাসাইনমেন্টস দেবো, অ্যাসাইনমেন্টস এর মধ্যে করে দিও।
ওকে স্যার।
So
স্যার
these are your, হ্যাঁ
বলছি লগের প্রায়োরিটি কি হবে?
বলছি। So these three questions are for your assignments. Okay, you have to submit these assignments by 18. Okay, just one
Okay, sir.
second, hold just 1 second. Now your next question, হ্যাঁ কিছু বলছো, কোনো কোয়ারিজ আছে? If you have any queries, please ask me. Suraj, do you have any queries regarding the evaluation? Please unmute.
No,
your-
sir.
Is it
No,
fine?
sir. I don't have any. Yes, sir. So Soros is asked logarithmic.
Log. Okay.
Yeah.
Log. Okay. Now log is used here. Log is used not as a function. Okay. Log has the highest precedence. Just hint. One hint. Log here LG. LG assume LG as a operator and highest priority. Okay. So LG as the highest priority, exponential LG, these are the highest priority operator. Okay. So we have to do these three assignments. দেখাতে হবে না পারবে?
ট্রাই করব।
Okay.
I think
Next, so next problem. So in police notation, you are asked to convert infix to postfix. And the next problem, what is the next problem? Next problem was the you have to evaluate a expression. Okay, you have to evaluate an expression. Suppose 12. Let us have an example. 12, 7, 3 minus, that is subtraction, division 2, 1, 5 plus multiplication plus. Okay, this is one problem. And let the second problem is 10, 5, 10, 5 addition, 10, 5 addition. Next is 66 division. Okay, then multiplication 8 subtraction. So my question is, for Mac out purpose, these are very easy. That's why I'm discussing about the gate. So evaluate the expressions. Evaluate the expressions. So how to evaluate the first expression? Any idea? Using stack.
Sir, maybe here we will put the operands in the stack, and
Okay.
whenever we encounter a operator, we will pop the
Yes.
elements.
Yes. 1 second. So first problem. $12. So first, when you have a operand, you have to put the operand in the stack. Okay. And when you are encountered with a operator, you have to pop the last two operand. Okay. So 12 first 12. The expression is first is 12. Token. These are called the tokens. Okay. So first token is the 12. So you have to put this. So here, this is your top. So top is initialized with null or -1. Okay. So first of all, you have to increment this top. Okay. Make a free space and insert 12. Next is 7. 7 is a operand. That's why I push 7. The next one is 3. The next one is 3. So push 3. And finally, the next token is subtraction, minus. So for minus, what should we do? The next token is minus. So here this is your top. Now you have to pop the last two. You have to pop the last two operands in the stack. Okay. So 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay. So you have to put this 4 here. So now stack top will contain the 4. Okay. Now division is encountered. So division, that's why 12 divided by 4. Okay. When there is a division, you have to pop this 12 and 4 and you have to put this result in the stack top. So 12 by 4, that is 3. You have to put 3. You have to put 3 in the stack top. Okay. So put 3 in the stack top. Now your top is at here. What will be the next one? 2 followed by 1 and 5. So next is 2, 1 and 5. 2, 1, 5. So what will be your top? Your top now pointing to the 5. Next is plus. next is plus. So plus, when there is the operator, you have to pop the top and just below the top. So 5 and 1. So 5 and 1. So you have to add 5 and 1. 5 plus 1. 6. And you have to put this 6 here. So 5 plus 1. That is 6. And you have to put this 6 here. Next one, multiplication. So next one is multiplication. So for multiplication, you have to multiply these 6 and 2, 2 stack tops and just below the stack top. So 6 into 2. So 6 into 6 multiplication of 2, 12. And you have to put this 12. And you have to put this 12 at the stack top. So for stack top, this will be 12. Next one is addition, plus. So plus for plus, don't write this plus here. This will pop the 12 and 3. So 12 plus 3. So 12 plus 3, 15. So the expression output will be the 15. So at stack, there will be 15. Is it clear? How to solve these kind of expressions using stack?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So output of this one is 15. What will be the output of this one? Next one. Any idea? So this
So
will be your
142.
140.
Two.
Yes, 142. Yes, 142. Yes, 142 is the answer. Okay. So these are for infix. Polish notation is covered. Okay. Now we have to learn the recursion and Tower of Hanoi. Okay. ক্লাস কি নেব না নেক্সট ইয়েতে নেব ফ্রাইডে টিউসডেতে নেব বলো যা বলবে
Sir, can you show the last part once?
142
হ্যাঁ
আচ্ছা শো করতে হবে তাই তো
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে
করে দিতে হবে না পারবে
একবার দেখালে ভালো হবে
আচ্ছা ওকে সো ফার্স্ট 10 so push 10 as this is the operand so next one 5 so first 10 is pushed next push until you get a operator then pop the top and immediate below the top operand so 10 plus 10 and 5 are inserted pushed so next is 5 10 and 5 10 and 5 are inserted next one is the plus so next one is the plus so for plus what should we do so for plus as this is the operator we have to pop two operands so 10 into 10 plus 5 10 plus 5 that is 15 okay so pop these two operands So pop these two operands and write the final result here, 15. Okay. So what will be the next one? Next one is the 60. So we have to put this 60 here. 60. Next one is 6. Push 6 here. Next one is division. Next one is division. So what should we do? Your stack top is now at this one. So you have to pop. So you have to pop this 60 and 6. So 60 and 6, and this is division. So 60 divided by 6, that is 10. And put this 10 here. So you have to remove these two tokens, two operands. Okay. So 10. 1 second. So this is 10. So now your stack top is at this position. Then multiplication. Then multiplication. So multiplication, for multiplication, you have to again pop this 10 and 15. So 10 into multiplication, 10 into 15. So 10 into 15, 150. Oh, 150. So you have to put this 150 here. So 150. Just write down this 150 in the stack top. Now stack top is at this position. Okay. Next is 8. Okay. So just write 8 at the stack top. Okay. Next, the final token is minus. So the final token is minus. So we have to subtract 150 and 8. So 150. So 150 minus 8. That is 142. So you have to remove these two tokens. Just remove these two tokens from the stack. And finally write the output 142. So in stack, the final result is 142. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. And what if we exchange the places of
Yes.
6 and 60?
6 and
60. I mean, we place 6 at the, yeah, firstly, then 60.
so this is 6 and this is 60.
Yeah, then we will put 0 in the stack while dividing.
No. 6 and 60, you have to take the two operands. Okay, you have to take two operands, and this is not 6 by 60. This is 60 by 6. Just normal evaluation. This is for normal evaluation. Suppose this is minus. Suppose this is minus, and this is 5, and this is 10. So is it
Sorry,
minus
sir,
5?
can you please repeat because I got disconnected due to my network connection. I
Suppose
joined just now.
suppose this is 5 and this is 10 and this is minus. So what will be the output? Minus 5.
No, that is
Only
5.
mod. Only take the mod values.
Yeah.
So this is 5. Suppose this is 6 and 60. Suppose this is 6, 60 and division. 6, 60 and division. So just 60 divided by 6. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So this is 60 and 6, right? 60 and 6. Okay. This is from GATE 2015. Set 3. Okay, so one thing is left, recursion. So in our next class, we will discuss the recursion. So inside recursion, we have to learn the GCD factorial. Yes,
So prefix is not in our syllabus.
prefix. Just এই দুটোই দেয় করতে যে infix to postfix conversion. In your lab, you can convert infix to prefix also. In your theory purpose, infix to postfix expression is most important, and this is only the police notation conversion.
Okay. Sir.
So GCD factorial Fibonacci number, tower of Hanoi, and direct, indirect, tail, recursion. These are the main topics under recursion: GCD, factorial, Fibonacci number, tower of Hanoi, direct and indirect recursion, tail recursion. Okay. So I will share this entire Word document to you, and these are your homeworks, assignments.